Today is 1.7 again, and it's stem and leaf plots. We did not have enough time yesterday to go through stem and leaf plots. No school Monday. Tuesday when you come back you'll have a practice test in which we will grade that in class and see how well you would do on the real one, and then on Wednesday you will have a test. That's a stem and leaf plot, and the way that you read it is that these numbers over here are the first digits of the number, and then these would be the last. So if you combine this 2 and 1, that's 21. And then these would be 22, 22, 23, 24. And for this one, 35, 37, and so on. This would be 67. Now there's very basic questions that you have to answer for all of these. And the first one is, how many numbers are in this stem and leaf plot? All you have to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's right, 17 numbers. Here's another question. The mode. The mode is the number, or is the number that shows up the most number of times. The mode is the number that shows up the most number of times. So which number shows up here the most number of times?
2.
There's no 2 in that list. Yes. 22 and 53 is right. Yes. Because you have two 22s and then two 53s. So you can have 22 and 53. You can have two modes. If you need a calculator, come over here and get one out of the bucket. Add them all up, divide by the number of numbers. What do you get?
44.6.
44.6. Did anybody else get 44.6? Is that what you got? Okay. Okay, so that's a stem and leaf plot. Any questions about a stem and leaf plot? What we want to find is the median. And the median is the middle number when all of the numbers are arranged in numerical order from least to greatest. So find out how many numbers you have. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 numbers. So I have 18 numbers, and we want to find the middle number. If I have 18 numbers, and I cut that list in half, how many numbers will each half of that list have in it? It'll have 9. 9 numbers here and 9 numbers there, but there's no middle number listed because you have an even number of numbers. If you cut them in half, you just have 2 middle numbers here. So to find the median when there is no middle number listed, you would add those 2 numbers together. And in this case, if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9. And then the next half of the list starts here. So it's between these two, 62 and 63. If you want to find the median, you add 62 and 63 and then divide by 2. The median would be 62.5. If we had 1, 2, 5, 7, and 10, and I wanted to find the median, I have 5 numbers listed there. So if I have 5 numbers, that's an odd number. I have 2 on this side, 2 on that side. The one in the middle would be the median. The median would be 5. If I had 4, 8, 11, 22, 32, and 40, then I have 3 numbers here, 3 numbers there, 6 numbers total. There's no middle number listed. So you use the 2 that are in the middle, add them together, and divide by 2. 33 divided by 2 is 16.5. The first question I need answered for this one is, how many items are in that stem and leaf plot? The number of items we have in the stem and leaf plot is 24. Question number 2, what is the mode of the stem and leaf plot? We're looking for the mode, the number that shows up the most number of times. So as I'm looking through here, I see that we have a pair of 14s. We have a pair of 20s. We have a pair of 55s. And we have a pair of 62s. 57. Yeah, we have a pair of 57s. So your mode should be 14, 20, 57, 62. You must have all 4. The next question is, what is the average of that stem and leaf plot? Rounded to the 10th place. To find the average of the stem and leaf plot, we have to add up all of the items in there. So we'll have 14 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 and then plus 19. Then it's plus 20 plus 20 plus 21 plus 22, and then we'll have plus 30, 31, 33, 35, plus 44, plus 46, 57, 57, 58, what do we have here, 60, 61, 62, 62, 63, 65. Your sum should have been 928. Did anybody get 928 for the sum? That's what you had. Okay, let's count how many numbers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Did you have 24 numbers? Alright, so divide by 24 and round to the 10th place, and that would be 38.7. You're going to answer all these at one time and bring all these answers up here. On your small piece of paper, just number 1, 2, and 3. And bring me the number of items, the mode, and the average. Average is rounded to the 10th place. How many items are in this list? 16. All right. What is the mode? 72. And the sum, what is the sum of all the numbers? You have to have the sum in order to find the average. Does anybody have the sum? Yeah. 1,648. Did anybody else get that? Okay, how many numbers were there? 16. So 1648 divided by 16 is 103 exactly. Alright, so that one had 2 modes, and it should have all, or 3 modes, and it should have also had 126 and 117 as well. For this practice problem, you have to find the number of items, you have to find the mode, the average, and the median. Round to the tenths place when necessary. How many items are in this list? 22. Did anybody else have 22? Okay, so it's 22. And what number shows up the most number of times? And if there's more than one, start with the lowest. 31, 32, 47, 52, 64. Must have all 5 of those numbers. What is the average of the whole list? Yeah. 55.1 is right. And what is the middle number? 52. Anybody else have 52? Okay. If you have all of these, come up here and collect. For this problem, find the number of items, find the mode, the average, and the median. For this practice problem, how many items do we have? 19. And what's the mode? The mode is 88. Alright. And what's the average? Average is 70. And what's the median? Median is 74. Alright, if you have all those, come on up.